Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a text box inside of Figma. Okay, and now this is going to be very similar to when we created a button. Okay, so we're going to go to the same file. This is the home page, and I just want to click, I want to double click here. And as you can see here, I'm just going to scroll. Okay, and I can also move across the page as I'm doing here with my mouse wheel, all right, or by pressing Control and by zooming in or out, all right. So now, let's say that I want to create some kind of text below this button here, below this CTA, below this call to action. What I can do is I can just select this text tool, and I can drag a rectangle here, right? And what I'm gonna write is actually, I don't know, click in this button to get a 30% off offer, for example, right? And obviously, because this looks very small, well, first of all, what I want to do is I want to change the alignment of this box by going into here and by pressing into this button, right? Now, you also want to change the letter font, the size font actually, and to change it into something like 48. Let's actually select the whole text so it works. And you want to change it to something like this, okay? So it looks center, all right? Now, you may also want to consider adding, I don't know, maybe a bold font, for example, or some kind of stroke, okay? So for that, you would actually have to go to stroke, okay? And this is what's going to look like, okay? And you can change the color of the stroke to something else, right? As you can see here. But I'm going to keep it actually black, okay? And you can also add, you know, a bunch of different effects. For example, you can go to the effects app here, and you can add like a drop shadow, like a layer blur, like a background blur, or like an inner shadow, okay, depending on you. I actually like to keep this simple in terms of text, but what you usually want to change is the font. You want to change to something that looks maybe more beautiful, so like a robotic font, for example, or something like that. Let's actually select the text. You know, something like this, for example, would be cool to me. And that's pretty much how you can do it. Thank you so much.